Hey. So today is a special day because I'm going to show you how to mix and layer heavy basses and main leads that you make in your drop. And the important thing here is we're going to layer heavily, make sure things are loud, and also mix things so that they sit well together. Also, I'm going to show you some tricks that I use as well. If you look here, this is my latest song that's now available on SoundCloud to listen to, the Pulverized remix. So I'm going to show you how to do this sustain bass, and then also I'm going to show you how to do this quarter note bass. I'm going to show you how I mixed it, right? I'm going to show you the different tricks and how they fit together. So first, the sustain bass. If you look here, there's 1, 2, 3, and then we have the sub. So first listen to the sub. This is our low end. We also have some white noise, right? So it's in the high as well. Taking out all the mids. That's how this sub's living. And this is okay because you can stack a lot of high frequencies, but you really can't layer and stack low frequencies. So it's okay that we just have some white noise playing up here and we have the sub living by itself. We got to keep that in mind. The sub will live here. So then if we go up to our sustain, all the lows will be cut out. See here, cut, cut, cut. This one has 3. This is our main yoy. Now, what's important is that we're using this auto pan to change the movement and the way this yoy sounds. So it's turned on in this section, but if we were to turn it off, like in this section, it's just a regular sustain. So you basically want to mess with different types of auto pan. The way you do this is you turn the phase all the way down. You can mess with the rate, or you can go by like quarter note, eighth note, and then make sure the amount is all the way up, or you can mess with it down some. So I have them on in different sections, and this is controlling all of them. This is on the group. If you look at the group, we're boosting the highs a little bit on the group, cutting the lows, and then we're adding some stereo effects so that we can have the sound in the middle and wide at the same time. Remember, this is for all of the sounds. This JST clip is clipping it at 0, boosting it a little bit, and that's just to end it. This is just for effects. If you look in this section, it turns on, and that's just giving it like a cool effect in like one certain section, just to add spunk and awesomeness. So now we can move on to the second layer. If you hear, this one's a little bit like more in the mid-range instead of the high range like this one. It's more high frequency. This is more like in the middle, like mid-range. So then this one can live, just with the lows cut, very minimal mixing because it's living in its own frequency range. And then on this one, as you see, minimal mixing, just the lows cut. Now we can go to this third one, which is this ringer. Super high pitch sound. Now it's basically all these lows cut, so it's just the highs playing. And then we cut some right here and cut some right here, just so we can live better with all the other sounds. It's pretty loud and obnoxious, so you want to kind of cut some frequencies out of those types of sounds, loud and obnoxious sounds, so that they can live in harmony with your other loud and obnoxious sounds. But you know what I mean. This is bass music. Everything's going to get really loud. This type of music is mixed completely different than every other genre. You have to keep that in mind. This is strictly for super loud, clipping bass music. But, you get your main sound first, and then you start layering down. The more layers that you have, the fuller your sound will be, and it'll make it sound louder in volume. So it's very good to do. Let's move on to the second sound. This one is called the quarter note spunk boy, Mr. Slug, Dr. Seuss. Why slug, you may ask? Because it sounds like this. What? Okay, cool. So the way I mix this is I layered sustains underneath, and then we put the quarter note slug on top. So if you see here, this is kind of turned down. The sustain bass sounds like this. And then we have another sustain. So you have two different sustains going, right? It's like just riding it. But then we have the quarter note slug to like just chill on top, you know, chilling, Red Dead Redemption style. First, when you're making your layered quarter note, you start with your main sound. If you listen to this like in the middle, you can hear basically all the frequencies. And we're boosting some here. The JST clip is clipping it at 0 and also boosting it to make it even louder. It's at 0, no red line. Then we start layering. So this is -9. This is more like an effect sound to layer underneath. And also it has this amp, which is adding extra distortion, and a reverb to put it in its own room. Of course, we have the JST clip, and then we're using this EQ to carve out some frequencies. And you can always mess around and see what sounds best by moving this while the song is playing. But I chose 310. So now they're mixing together. Then you add another one. I call this the Stan Lee. And this basically is super OTT'd, super just disgust. This is bringing the slug quality. There's an amp with dual on, which is really pumping it in volume. Listen to off and on. And then this EQ is just carving some frequencies down because it's pretty obnoxious. So just carve some down, cut some lows, cut some mids. The mids is where all the muddiness builds up. So you just cut these out. Remember, every song's different. Every bass is different. When you mix, you're going to mix on the go, different with every sound. And remember, turn your volumes down. This is -4. So they're all mixing together to sound like this. Then, of course, you add your sub. Then you have your full sound from your low frequencies to all your high frequencies, and of course, all the middle. So you're filling out the frequency range, going hard, and showing people who's boss, honestly. Remember, these are the techniques that you want to try, what you want to do. Keep in mind the group that I showed you for all the mid basses, and just have fun. Remember, if you want this song, get it in my SoundCloud, free download, listen to it, stream it up, share it, like and subscribe. Otherwise, peace. Stay.
Let me show you how it's done right.